Hey traders, to watch this video here for Monday, August 24th, showing you the SPY, kind of hanging out right at all-time highs. Still pretty narrow ranges on the day. Had a decent day on Friday. Teamwork was great. I'll highlight a couple real quick. Sean H.A., who is definitely on my hot script in our chat room, gave the idea right there. NVIDIA, second mouse through 500. And you notice after the trigger, didn't look back, went up 12 bucks from there at one point. Great call by Sean. One of my favorite setups, the second mouse play. And then Wayne called CVAC, 5-minute candles, right there through 167, right at the red to green with the high of day just above, right above yesterday's high as well. And a quick, let's see, 167, $2 and 70 something cents, I think. Probably in 5 minutes. You gotta love trades that work right away like that. So there's a couple highlights from the day. I had a really nice day on Friday. Really nice week with the exception of my rule break on Monday that most of you heard about, but I'm nicely sitting at highs for the year again. Took me Tuesday and part of Wednesday morning to get back to new highs for the year though after my rule breaking blunder. That's not easy to say on Monday. So every once in a while we got to get that shovel to the face to remind us unrelenting discipline is the only way to become a professional or to stay a professional day trader, right? Anyway, what are we watching for Monday? Remember, when you watch my videos, I'm looking for stuff that I can trade intraday that might give me a nice intraday move, assuming I get an A+ entry on it, but I'm in cash every night. So understand that when you watch these videos, these are not swing trading picks, they're not investment picks, and I don't own any of these right now, right? So anyway, SHLL, very, very strong. Closing well off its highs on Friday, had this big move already. It certainly seems extended. I mean, I look at the moving averages, the 8 and the 20, and it's way above them. So for that reason, I don't like this very much, but it did kind of stand out as one of the stronger stocks out there. FINV had this big pop on Thursday, kind of a quiet inside day on Friday. So I'll have it on watch for a possible third day play. BPTH, big volume. Great call by Wayne, by the way. Second mouse through 5. Second mouse-ish, right? Through 5 right there. And a quick move to 550 and about 10% move in about 5 minutes. Another great call by Wayne. And you know what? With that volume, it might catch some attention on Monday. Having said that, you had a big move, and if I always look to the left, right? This thing spent 2 or 3 months in this area. It would be surprising to see it pop up there from where it was and then just keep ripping higher. There's a lot of congestion right around that $5 area. So we'll see, but because of that reason, it makes me like it a little less, but doesn't cost me anything to put it on a chart. HARP, big volume day, closing off its highs, but closing well off its lows. I'm going to watch that one. MOGU, I actually like this chart. You got a big pop here, lower high, went quiet for a couple of days and then starting to curl up again. Decent volume on Friday. Probably one of my favorite charts going into Monday. Tops, I never thought I'd trade this again, and then lo and behold, it had this big pop on Thursday, and Friday was just a quiet inside day, so I do like this one a lot for a potential trade on Monday. VUZI, let me pan out a little bit here. Nice volume and a strong close, kind of right at the top of what I would call a trend line here. Certainly worth watching. VEL, nice kind of breakout of a 1 month, maybe it's 5-week range on Friday. And notice that this big volume spike was only 1.6 million shares. It shows you how thin this was. You go back to some of these days here, 50,000, 43,000. So, I mean, it's definitely a thin stock, but I do like the fact that it closed pretty close. Well, relatively close to its highs, but it held up well, I guess I should say. I believe they're in the mortgage industry too, and housing and mortgage has been on fire. So for that reason, I like that one. ANTE had this pop on Thursday, gave it all back, and Friday starting to eke its way back up. So let's keep our eyes on that one. A couple more. Redo, REDU, education play, big 3-day run, 3 days lower on declining volume with only kind of a partial retrace. That one may turn back up on Monday. And if it does, I also like this ONE. Same space, big pop, few days lower, right there in the buy zone between the 8 and the 20. So those are two to watch that probably, if they're going to run, will run together. All right. We'll add other gappers to this in the pre-market on Monday. Let's keep our streak going. Chat room's been fantastic. Teamwork's been fantastic. I'm done babbling. I'll see you in chat in the morning.